beta, can anyone hear me? Alpha, beta, can anyone hear me? This universe has been unfair to me. कोई मेरा दर्द नहीं समझता. मेरे अपने ही लोगों ने मुझे दूर भेज दिया है. हालत ही कुछ ऐसी है. My spaceship has crashed. और इस अनजान से गोले पे आके अटक गया हूँ.
अरे चलते फिरते सर्कस. और भाई कौन दो?
हेलो फ्रेंड.
हाँ चाय पी लो. आप मेहमान हो ना हमारे. इतने रात को इधर क्या कर रहे हो?
My name is Park. I am from Neptune.
नेपच्यून? अबे मेरे को क्या येड़ा समझे क्या? खाली पीली मस्करी करता है? हाँ? चल तेरा नेपच्यून निकल जाए. चल यहाँ से. ये पकड़ रहा है. चल यहाँ से. अरे चल चल इधर से. नेपच्यून निकल जाए. चल चल चल. एक लड़की थी दीवानी सी. ऑफिस में हमेशा सोया करती थी. सेल्स टारगेट कभी नहीं थी मेरी करती. टाइम से कुछ कहना था शायद उसको. हर कुछ करने से डरती थी. जब भी मिलती थी मुझसे पूछा करती थी ये सेल्स टारगेट क्यों होता है, ये सेल्स टारगेट कैसे होता है.
राहुल.
नाम तो सुना ही होगा. क्या तमाशा हो रहा है? नहीं सर. गो बैक टू योर वर्क स्टेशन. अमृता. अमृता.
What happened? Oh, sir.
I'm sorry. I disturbed you. Do you need a pillow?
No, sir. I'm sorry. I won't repeat this.
Don't give me silly excuses. Office is not a place to sleep. I called your extension twice, but you never answered. Come and meet me in my cabin.
But, sir.
All the best. End of the month is approaching. Have you prepared your sales report? Email it to me by end of the day. What is this, Amrita? You have not achieved your sales target for the last 2 months. You are due for appraisal next month. This way you won't get anything. You will lose on your incentive and increment as well.
Sir.
And about that, you are sleeping in the office?
No, sir. Yesterday I was working till late, preparing database of prospective clients.
It's good that you are working. But if you don't achieve by end of the month, I need to put you on performance improvement plan.
No, sir. Please give me time till end of this month. I assure you that I will. Please,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, let's see what you achieve by end of the month. You may leave now. Don't worry, yaar. Things will be fine. We will manage to meet the target before appraisal.
Nothing is going to be fine. Every client I try to follow up gives some or the other excuses. I'm not meeting my sales target. I'm not getting any increment this year. To worsen things, I may also lose all my job.
अरे यार सब ठीक हो जाएगा.
कुछ ठीक नहीं हो रहा.
अरे यार चिल मार. चल तुझे एक शाहरुख का डायलॉग सुनाता हूँ.
नहीं, मुझे नहीं सुनना.
सुनना. ए अमृता. अमृता. ए सुनना.
Hashtag health is wealth. Hashtag intense wealth. I think this will give me more followers. और अगले 2 हफ्ते तक मुझे वापस जॉगिंग के लिए आना पड़ेगा. Great.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Can you tell me where can I get mechanic for spaceship?
Mechanic for spaceship.
Yes, I am from planet Neptune and I need to repair my spaceship.
You mean you are an alien? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Wait! What a character, man! Yes. Hashtag alien. Hashtag werewolf.
But mechanic.
Valkyrie.
But mechanic.
Hello, Mr. Patel. Yeah, good afternoon, sir. This is Amrita. Sir, I called you last week. Yes, sir. So you told me to call today for the order. Okay, you are not there in town. Sir, no problem. We'll place the order over phone. Yes, sir. But sir, why are you cancelling the order? Sir, please listen to me. Sir, hello? Is client?
Hello. You look disturbed. Is everything fine?
My worries are never ending. Another client has cancelled his order and I'm not meeting my sales target.
I didn't understand. All that sounds alien to me.
What is there not to understand? Are you an alien?
Yes, you are right. How did you guess that?
Are you making fun of me? कपड़े से तो ऐसे लग रहा है कि किसी मेंटल असाइलम से भाग के आए हो.
You don't believe me? Come with me. I'll show you something. Come, don't be scared. Come.
Oh my God! I don't believe this. This is a spaceship. Which planet are you from?
My name is Parth. I am from Neptune.
I am Amrita and this is planet Earth. What brings you here? Are you on research?
अरे नहीं, नो रिसर्च. मुझे मेरे प्लैनेट से निकाल दिया है. वहाँ सब मेरा मजाक उड़ाते थे, मेरे बालों के रंग के वजह से. आप विश्वास नहीं करोगे. They started calling me an alien.
तो ये तुम्हारा नेचुरल हेयर कलर नहीं है? I thought everyone from your planet have similar hair.
नहीं, हम आप जैसे ही दिखते हैं. I am only 1000 years old and I am facing health issues. मेरे दांत भी कमजोर हो गए हैं, बाल भी बहुत झड़ने लगे हैं और अभी तो मेरी शादी भी नहीं हुई है.
तो ये कैसे हुआ?
मैं यूं ही एक बार मार्स पे गया था, वहाँ पे ये प्रोडक्ट ट्राई किया and since then my hair has turned purple. मार्स के लोग सबके सब चोर हैं.
Yeah, ask me. They have been stealing water from our planet and when we ask for payment, they have declared war against us.
After leaving Neptune, I traveled to various planets but could not find solution anywhere. 100 साल हो गए, मैं मेरे घर से दूर हूँ. I know, my mother must be worried.
Oh God, please protect my child and make sure he gets married soon.
ऊपर से मेरा स्पेसशिप भी क्रैश हो गया है. It has run out of batteries. My problem are never ending.
Don't worry. We all have our set of problems. I am on the verge of losing my job. To save it, I work till late. My mother is worried too.
हे भगवान, मेरी बच्ची का ख्याल रखना और जल्द से जल्द इसकी शादी करा देना.
We may be from different planets, but we have similar problems. Let me try to help you. Can you show me how does your spaceship batteries look like?
Wait a minute, I'll show you. These are very expensive in our planet.
Oh, these! These I can get easily for you. You don't have to pay for this. But I have one condition.
What condition?
That will also help you. You will have to use products of my company.
अरे नहीं, no. एक बार मैं बुरी तरह से फंस चुका हूँ.
अरे ये वाला देखो तो
नहीं,
सही.
नहीं,
अच्छा
no.
एक बार देख लो.
नहीं, no.
ठीक है, एक झलक
नहीं,
दिखाती
नहीं.
हूँ.
सोचता हूँ ट्राई करके ही देख लूं.
I am feeling great. ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे नया जीवन ही मिल गया. अच्छा हुआ अमृता की बात सुन के. इन प्रोडक्ट ने तो मेरी काया ही पलट दी. आप भी ट्राई करके देखो. आप भी देखो ट्राई करके.
मैं आपको कॉल करती हूँ जरा. Yes?
हेलो मैम, माय नेम इज पार्थ. अमृता है घर पे?
Arey Spark, what a pleasant surprise. You are looking so different. In fact, you are looking handsome.
Both of you know each other?
Yes, I'm her friend.
अरे बेटा, are you married?
Mom, please stop it.
I was just casually inquiring. मैं तुम दोनों के लिए टी लेके आती.
Please.
अमृता, I can't thank you enough. आपके जेएल मॉरिसन के प्रोडक्ट इतने अच्छे हैं, हमारे यहाँ तो इतने अच्छे प्रोडक्ट मिलते ही नहीं है. इसलिए सोच रहा हूँ कि बल्क ऑर्डर प्लेस कर दूँ हमारे प्लैनेट के लिए.
What? I don't believe this. Yay!
What is this, Amrita?
Sorry.
Congratulations, Amrita.
Thank you, sir.
You have broken all the sales record in the history of the organization. Get ready for some good spending on Amazon, Flipkart. Your incentive and increment is on your way.
Thank you, sir.
You have also proved that only making sales is not enough, but it's very important to identify your clients and needs of your clients.
True, sir.
अमृता, अभी तूने सब कुछ खरीद लिया. घर की चिट्ठी वाले भी पानी करके दे.
Thank you.
शुरू हो गई थी नौटंकी. ये मत भूलना आपका अप्रेजल अभी
चाचा.
I have a small request.
Yes,
Can you
sir.
ask your client to send us a small video testimonial?
Of course, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I can't thank you enough. But I have to leave now.
I understand. Your mother must be worried.
Goodbyes are very difficult. I hope to meet you soon.
I hope to meet you soon too. I've shared my IP address with you. Please stay in touch.
Yes, I will link my satellite to your IP address.
Bye. Till we meet again.
You have an incoming call from Neptune. You have an incoming call from Neptune.
Mom, guess what? I'm coming back to Neptune. I have great news for you. आपके लिए बहू मिल गई. Bye, Mom.
मोहब्बत भी जिंदगी की तरह होती है. मोड़ आसान नहीं होता. और ऐसे बड़े बड़े प्लेनेट में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें तो होती ही रहती है.
अबे निकल यहाँ से. नौटंकी बंद कर. अभी और देना बाकी है. निकल यहाँ से.
इवेंट अभी बाकी है.
Now I will request the entire team, cast, crew as well as the director to please come up on the stage, please.
All right, the team is here on stage. I think they deserve a big round of applause, people. Okay, we would now like to introduce the team to you. So, meet our alien. Of course, he's not alien. He's Anand Raul from our marketing team. He's our very own graphic designer. So, big round of applause for him. And these real life looking Havaldar, they played a beautiful role. But of course, this was just a part of the acting. Meet Santosh Shirgaonkar from the SCM team. And meet Mr. Bhagyavir Kondiji from the finance team.
And the boss, our very own boss, who needs no introduction, Mr. Suhas Shetty from the HR team.
I think we learned some of his dialogues from Tarun.
And obviously Rahul Shahrukh, Vishal Kavle from the finance team. The enthusiastic jogger, the bubbly, witty Vetradnya Fulkar from the legal team. And Mother India, who is a dual role, Sarojini Reporter, NSM Modern Chair.
And the Bahu of Alien. She's going to Neptune. I don't think she's going to Neptune though. Okay, so she's Amrita. She's a brand executive from the marketing team. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I got so swayed. She's Nikita. But she played the role so beautifully. So I think in all the practices, we are calling her Amrita.
Rohit.
And of course, Rohit Ganguly. He's the entire director, writer of the show, who helped us put together this show. I think he made actors out of professionals, so I think he's done a commendable job. Thank you so much, Rohit.
Thank you.
And last but not the least, we have our big end model here, Mr. Deepak Joshi he's the SEM head. Thank you, Deepak.
Aniket.
And Aniket, who gave us all the signs and everything and has been supporting us in the act. So Aniket is from
MIS.
MIS team, sales and marketing team. Thank you so much.